there never seems to be a single penny left for me. That's too bad. In my dreams I have a plan. If I got me a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work at all. I'd fool around and have a ball. Money, money, money must be funny in the rich man's world. Money, 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 always sunny in the rich man's world. All the things I could do if I had a little money. It's a rich man's world. It's a rich man's world.
Watch this engaging YouTube video to embark on a financial journey. Discover how to make money online, potentially earning $240 per day through a worldwide opportunity that requires no prior experience. As one of the most promising work-from-home jobs of 2023, this online job transcends geographical boundaries and skill prerequisites. If you are scouting for side hustles in 2023, this video is your guide to an accessible and lucrative endeavor. Begin your journey towards consistent income from the comfort of your own home.
In today's digital age, the opportunity to make money online has never been more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a side hustle, or even create a full-time career, the internet offers countless ways to generate income from anywhere in the world. From freelancing and selling digital products to creating content on social media or starting an e-commerce store, the possibilities are endless. What makes online income particularly appealing is the flexibility it provides. You can work on your terms, set your schedule, and choose projects that align with your skills and passions. Additionally, many online income streams like affiliate marketing, blogging, or selling courses have the potential to become passive income sources over time, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. With the right mindset, effort, and strategy, anyone can tap into the vast potential of the digital economy and achieve financial independence. Whether you're looking to break free from the 9-to-5 grind or simply boost your earnings, the Passive Income Pioneer offers practical insights and personalized support to empower you to build wealth online, achieve financial independence, and unlock your full potential. Now is the time to take control of your future. Start your journey today.
Get ready to discover the hidden gems of the internet. In this video, we unravel 10 phenomenal websites that will put cash in your account within just 24 hours. These digital platforms open up exciting avenues for you to make money online, offering the latest work-from-home jobs in 2023 and innovative side hustles 2023. If you ever dreamed of getting paid every day from the comfort of your home, this video is a must-watch. The earnings potential of these sites might just surprise you. Don't miss out on these opportunities to bolster your income and attain financial freedom. Hit play and start your money-making journey right now.
Making money online is a viable and exciting opportunity for anyone willing to put in the time and effort. The digital landscape offers countless ways to earn, from active projects like freelancing and e-commerce to passive income streams such as affiliate marketing and content creation. With the persistence, creativity, and smart planning, you can unlock the potential of online income and take control of your financial future. Whether you're looking for additional income or aiming to create a full-time career, the internet provides the tools and opportunities to achieve your goals and enjoy greater freedom and flexibility in your life. Please don't forget to join us in our Passive Income Pioneer channel. Like and subscribe to see our new videos.